Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. The pot here, it's thereabouts 40 centimetres and it's about 50 centimetres deep. We filled it with SWELL WELL compost. That's the most important ingredient in the pot. It contains 12 to 14 months slow release fertiliser and a wetting agent, because when this pot packs with roots later in the summer, it's important to have a wetting agent there to hold some moisture when you water your plants. We're going to put 3 plants in, 1, 2, 3, that will flower non-stop from May until October. At the back of the pot, we're putting in a dahlia called Dreamy Nights, and Dahlia Dreamy Nights has got pink and burgundy flowers and starts to flower in May and finishes in October. It's got gorgeous foliage as well. Height, roughly about 35 to 40 centimetres high and about 40 centimetres wide, so it's going to fill out at the back of the pot. So this pot will look bigger than it actually is when the plants fill out. So we'll settle in our Dahlia Dreamy Nights at the back. Easy to manage and non-stop flowers right through until October time. So that's Dahlia Dreamy Nights. On this side here, we're going to put a lovely Agryanthemum called Vanilla Latte. And Agryanthemum Vanilla Latte will grow roughly around 30 centimetres high and yellow daisy-like flowers. Really a reliable plant and easy to manage. May until October flowering. So in he goes. That's going to again fill out, and they'll fight for space here, both of them, and the pot will fill out way out past the edge of the pot. And then a lovely Helichrysum or straw flower. This is Helichrysum Nevada Gold. Again, will flower May until October non-stop. You see a little flower there just peeping, thinking about, and it feels straw-like. It feels like a dried flower. So out it comes. So those 3 plants, non-stop, from mid-May until October. Will be a kaleidoscope of colours there. So that's our lovely Dahlia Dreamy Nights at the back. And then we had our Vanilla Latte, Agryanthemum Vanilla Latte. Lovely fern-like foliage as well. And then the straw flower, Nevada Gold, Helichrysum Nevada Gold. So non-stop flower from mid-May until October. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.